Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Android Studio with your phone that is not using the emulator. Sometimes that is still easier to do rather than connecting with the emulator here. So what you need to do here, like here you can see I'm connected with my one of the emulator and I have named it as my phone. Now here you're going to select this option, pair device using Wi-Fi. Once you click this, it gives you this option. Now you need to scan this code through your mobile. In your mobile you need to go to the settings. You should go into developer options, and inside the developer option you will find wireless debugging. That should be on first thing. Once you switch on the wireless debugging and you click wireless debugging, you will find an option there, exactly the same thing, pair new devices over Wi-Fi or pair device with QR code. Once you click that, it's going to show you the camera, and through that you're going to scan this code and it will get connected. That's it. So once you run that from here, like I'm going to do it now. Okay, now you can see it shows the tick sign that my mobile has been connected with this. So now once I run this application, it's going to run on my mobile. Right now I am running the application on the system here, and now it's visible on the mobile. So you can see here it shows here the application. Now I click this roll, it's going to display a random dice option. So it makes it much more easier, I think, and you can see the real application on your mobile. And if you see that something is not correct, you can arrange it, correct it, or redesign the screen again. So it shows you, and then again there is no need to select the exact dimensions. It automatically connects with your mobile, and you know that what are the dimensions and where all these things are being displayed. If they are not at the right position, you can reset them. So this is how you can connect with the mobile.